Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the chair where it sits flipped on a blanket. This protects finishes while exposing the mechanism. Remove loose items and take a quick photo for reassembly. Next, grab a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, replacement screws, and a small can of lubricant so you won't be interrupted mid-repair. Once done with the basic inventory, test the gas lift and casters by hand to identify which part actually fails. That tells you whether to tighten, replace, or lubricate. You now disassemble deliberately. Unscrew the bolts holding the base to the seat pan, laying them out in an order you will remember. As you expose the tilt mechanism and gas cylinder, look for stripped threads, cracks, or oil leaks. Those indicate part replacement rather than adjustment. If bolts are loose, tighten to spec. If casters stick, pull and replace them. Make sure to apply a light grease to pivots and moving joints, so components move smoothly once reassembled, and to prevent future creaks. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, using your photos and labeled bolts. Torque them evenly so the seat sits true and does not rock. Lower the chair, then test height, tilt, and swivel several times to confirm smooth operation. Make adjustments and red item where you feel play. If wobble persists or you see a gas cylinder leak, replace the cylinder or consider a professional replacement, because continuing to use a leaking lift risks sudden collapse. So stop and swap the failing part immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.